From deep underground oil fields to massive drilling rigs, from endless pipelines
The seismic data on the eastern corridor is showing higher permeability than expected.
If we adjust the flow rate here, we can mitigate the risk.
The pressure is running high on the compressor. Log that.
Got it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The temperature on the reactor is stable now after the adjustment.
Confirmed. I'll continue monitoring the output flow.
From deep underground to your car's engine, this is the journey of crude oil. Subscribe to Process Empire for more incredible processes.